This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change your Kuda phone number. Let's assume that you lost the phone number that is registered on your Kuda mobile app before. I want to change it. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how I can teach you that. As you can see here, I've already dropped a tutorial concerning this thing before, but this is 2024 and things are changing, so I want to keep you updated with the new information. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. First of all, you are going to make sure that you have the X social app or the Twitter social app. The Twitter social app is also the X social app, so don't be confused. Now let's assume you have a Twitter social app or the X. You are going to log into the X, then you will come to your inbox. Once you are in your inbox, you are going to search for Kuda support, Kuda app support, and as you can see here is the Kuda app support. And as you can see here, this is February 20, this is Thursday, February 2022. And as you can see there, I messaged them that hello Kuda, I lost, so I used the SIM to sign into my Kuda app. As you can see here, and I like to change the phone number from old number to new, so I'll be able to access my Kuda account. And as I can see here, I provided my Kuda account details. This information is not mine, it is client information, so I'm just showing you the processes. So as you can see, I was replying here and they asked, I was replied here that I should stamp a picture confirming my ID and my Kuda information, which I did here. And as you can see here, their last reply is that our check shows that your new phone number has been updated on your account. Please log into your account to confirm this. And upon logging to the Kuda bank account, I can see that the information has been changed already. Now let me show you the latest one that I did for another client. This is latest. So in my inbox here, I'm going to go to the Kuda app support here, and as you can see, this is I want to check the date on Friday, which is in March. This is in March on Friday. That's last week Friday. At the day of making this video, as you can see, today is 13 already. Today is 13. Okay, today is 12. Today is 12. So it was actually Friday. Hello Kuda, I lost my old number linked to my Kuda account number. I provided the Kuda account and I want to see here is my Kuda account. That's the format. And here, thank you for reaching out. They reply me, thank you for reaching out. They asked me that I should please take a picture. Please take a picture of you holding the piece of paper with the information stated above on one hand and a valid government issue means of identity card on the other hand. And as you can see here, they told me that on a blank piece of white paper, write your name, today's date, and your Kuda account number, which I did here. And I did it here for another client. As you can see here are the pictures, and I even sent a video too. So I sorry for the delay. And as you can see, they replied me on Saturday, which is this week Saturday, last week Saturday, the following day, because it's very fast and smooth. That we are sorry for the delay. The new mobile number has been successfully updated. Thank you. And I confirmed when I sent the thank you. I confirmed with this client, and they said the number have changed successfully. The reason why I'm giving you this update is because many people are seeing this kind of shoe. Many people are seeing any kind of situation that they are yet to know how to change their Kuda account phone number when they lost the phone number, when they lost their old number or previous number. It's like that. So that's why I'm sharing information. If you don't have access to message the Kuda support on the Twitter and on their Twitter platform, you can just follow me, chat on Instagram. my Instagram handle is at the comment section of this video, the description box. You can just follow me chat on Instagram. I'm going to help you with the whole processes as my end there. Though the service won't be free, it's going to cost you a token, but don't worry, it's going to be affordable. See you in the next video. Peace out.